Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your password manager from your Google account. So once you're on Google, if you go to your profile or go to your account on Google, sign in, click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on manage your Google account right below your profile picture here. Now on the left hand side, click on security. And then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find a section that says password manager. If you click on manage passwords here, you'll find all those passwords that you have in your account. So you can scroll through the list and find all of those passwords that you have. If you have quite a lot, you can basically, find them, or you can search them here by simply try to look up whatever password you have, right? So I just have a few here, but in your case, if you have a lot more, especially if you have your Google account over a longer period of time for years, you could potentially have a lot of accounts done. So if you want to view the password, just simply go ahead and click on one. So in this case, I'm going to click, for example, example.com. And if I click on that, I will need to enter my Google account password here. And once I do that, I can be able to view that password. It works similar like any browser on your computer. So if you open, for example, your Google Chrome, right? And you go to the password. So let me show you. So if I click the three dots here to the right hand side and I open up, for example, settings here on my Google Chrome, you will see that there's an option that says password, autofill and password. So if I click there, there is the Google password manager connect to this. And if I click on that, I have those passwords as well. And if I want to access those passwords, it will ask me to enter my Windows credential in this case, right? So in this case, it doesn't ask me for my Google account, but it asks me for my Windows password. And if I go ahead and I enter my Windows password here, then I will have the same option to view that specific password right here. So here you can see it is the same thing. I can view this in my Google account, but in this case, it is asking me to actually enter my Windows credentials. And then from here, I can easily click on that and just simply view the password. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.